In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Facebook Marketplace and set up payment methods effectively. Whether you're new to Facebook Marketplace or just looking to streamline your payment process, this guide will walk you through the best method step by step. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in managing your transactions seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head over to Facebook, log into your account, and ensure you're on the home page. You might notice the familiar layout with the news feed prominently displayed in the center. On the top right corner, you'll see an icon that looks like three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Click on this menu icon to view a drop-down list of options. In this menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Orders and Payments. Clicking this will direct you to a page that consolidates all your Facebook purchase and payment information in one convenient place. This page is pivotal for managing how you make and receive payments on Facebook Marketplace. Once you're on the Orders and Payments page, look for the Add Payment Method option. Clicking this is your gateway to setting up a new method of payment. A few different options might be displayed here, depending on your region and the available services supported by Facebook. It's essential to select a method that you have ready access to and feel comfortable using. For ease of use, select PayPal from the list. PayPal is a widely recognized and secure payment service that facilitates online transactions smoothly. Selecting PayPal will prompt you to sign in to your PayPal account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's a relatively simple and quick process, usually taking just a few minutes. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Facebook will guide you through linking your PayPal account securely. This process generally involves authorizing Facebook to access your PayPal account, which allows for hassle-free payment processing on the marketplace. Rest assured that this connection is secure and used strictly for facilitating payments. Ensure that you review all details before finalizing this setup. Double check that your PayPal account is connected correctly, as skipping this step could lead to delays or issues in future transactions. Once confirmed, you are now ready to start paying with ease on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, with PayPal backing your transactions, you gain an added layer of buyer protection, making your marketplace experience both simple and reassuring. Now that everything's set up, you can explore Facebook Marketplace, find great deals, and conduct transactions smoothly with your integrated payment method. Happy shopping!